Okay, so today's our session is pranayam session. Anybody unmute yourself and you tell me what is pranayam. As I said, go with the meaning of word. So anybody please unmute and tell me what is pranayam. Yes.
मैम मैम हिंदी में बोल
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
मैम प्राणायाम मीन्स प्राण और आयाम. प्राण मीन्स अपने श्वास को प्राण बोलते हैं और आयाम मीन्स उसको कंट्रोल करना. तो प्राणायाम मीन्स लाइक अपने श्वास को अपने प्राण को कंट्रोल में करना.
Okay, anyone, anybody, if you want to add in this. Come on, you have your exam, you have to be ready. Just simple word को अलग अलग करो. प्राण आयाम, क्या है प्राण, क्या है आयाम. Come on, उसने बहुत अच्छे से बोला है. Now you just try it. At least try करो जल्दी. Come on, we don't have time.
Ma'am, controlling the vital life forces by practicing inhalation and exhalation.
Okay, what else? What else?
Ma'am, in simple words, controlling over your breath means pran means life, and I am, as she told, is a controlation part.
Okay. Okay.
So, control over your breath is normal in pranayam, we say.
Okay. Anyone, Harmeet, Megha, if you want to add anything. Yogesh, if you want to add anything. Come on. Come with your answer. Nothing is wrong in yoga. Always keep this in mind. Whatever you have understanding about things, just come with your answer. Nothing is wrong in yoga. What do you think, Megha? What is pranayam? What do you think, Harmeet? Harmeet, right? Haritha, I'm sorry. What do you think?
Ma'am, control of the movements of prana and the prana energy in our body, like how Bhavika told.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the meaning of word control? Control. Having hold on something, right?
It's
So,
slowing down our breath, ma'am.
okay. Okay.
Slowing down our breath.
Okay. So, controlling means having hold on that particular thing. That is what we can say is higher practice. It even not, cannot say control, because always you need to regulate that energy all over your body. How? With that vital energy force. So prana is vital energy. Ayam is regulating that vital energy in your whole body. Okay. Prana is what? That bio-vital energy. Ayam is घर. घर है वो उस एनर्जी का जिस घर में वो हर जगह घूमती रहती है. इसीलिए औरत को क्या कहा जाता है? घर का श्वास कहा जाता है, राइट? औरत घर की सांस होती है, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि अगर औरत घर में ना हो तो घर खंडर बन जाता है. वैसे ही इफ प्राण इज नॉट इन योर बॉडी, व्हाट your body will become? Death body, right? Right? अभी फिक्स हो गया दिमाग में? Good. So, very simple understanding about pranayam, but very deep meaning. That is why pranayam, for pranayam, you need to be very prepared. Your body has to be prepared. That is why pranayam we practice after asana and relaxation practices. क्यों प्राणायाम पहले प्रैक्टिस नहीं की जाते? Because your body has to be ready to sit for a long time. इसीलिए ये सब आसन और ये सब आए, because ऋषि मुनि, they realize that they are not able to sit for their meditation and pranayam for long. It means they have some difficulties in their body. So they invent this all body postures to make their body flexible and strong so they can sit for a long in their meditation. Understood? So asan, kriyas and relaxation techniques are preparation techniques for pranayam and meditation, right? Okay, good. Now, so always start with simple techniques. What always I practice now, even after this 5 years, is equal breathing, which is very difficult. Now, if you observe your body, you will find sometimes your right nostril is more active and sometimes your left nostril is more active. So even you need that space, right? Even your whole body parts need that space to relax for a while and then they just switch over. So it's like that. But is that right? No, because we need both. We need that cooling thing also and we need energy also. So that is why we just practice to regulate that energy properly with pranayam techniques. So just 2 questions. Which nostril indicate which nadi? Anyone? Yes.
Right nostril indicates the Pingla Nadi, the Surya, and left one Ida Nadi.
Okay.
Moon.
So Ida nadi and Pingala nadi, right? Pingala nadi is Surya nadi. So what it gives to your body is urja,
E.
energy. And Ida nadi, which is in left, it gives you that cooling effect, right? Left nostril is connected towards your which brain? Okay, let's understand this like this. So if your left nostril is activated, you feel calm, cool. It means you're relaxing, right? That you can relax properly, right? So, okay, I hope you cover this point in your anatomy. Is it covered? Like which brain is what? Fine. Okay. Don't go. Let's not go in deep. So, in short, so left nostril is, if your left nostril is active, your left nostril is connected with your relaxation things, and your right nostril is connected with your activities. That time you are under 100% active. Fine. So if you want to continuously active, you need to balance both. Fine. Because you can't continuously active, you will exhaust after some time. So you have to balance that both things. Okay. Okay. Sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system, it's connected to that. Okay. So let's not go in that term. So first we have sectional breathing. Sectional breathing is divided in 3 things. First is abdominal breathing. Second is thoracic breathing. Third is
Clavicle breathing.
clavicular breathing. Absolutely right. Now, where is your abdominal?
Below our stomach.
Okay. Where is your thoracic
Thoracic.
area? Thoracic area. We are going in line. Thoracic.
sternum to this
Where is
before
your floating rib
abdominal.
cages? Can anybody tell me where is
Sternum to diaphragm.
Yes, lungs below.
floating rib cages? कहाँ पे है? Rib cage कहाँ पे है? Rib cage. What is rib cage now?
Which cover the lungs, protect it.
Covers the very important two organs, heart and lungs.
Yes.
Okay. So कुछ rib cages connected है, कुछ floating है. Where is your floating? Just हाथ लगाइए. कहाँ पे sternum खत्म कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Sternum खत्म कहाँ पे होता है?
Yeah.
This is your sternum, which is connected to the rib cages. The
Yeah.
most strongest muscle bone in your body. Now, कहाँ पे खत्म हुआ? Just check it. Check करो, check करो, check करो. यहाँ तक है, यहाँ तक है. यहाँ पे खत्म होता है. यहाँ पे
Ah.
तो यहाँ से सारे floating rib cages start हुए,
Hmm.
right? हाँ या ना?
Yes.
तो ये जो सारा एरिया है, ये what we do in thoracic breathing?
Inhale from thoracic.
We experience that opening of rib cage, right?
Yeah.
So very easy. Understand your body. Check कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. Rib cage कहाँ फूल रहे. Okay. Second, third, clavicular breathing. इधर है. चल थोड़ा
Collarbone.
टी शर्ट ऐसे नीचे करो और दिखाओ मुझे कहाँ है. कॉलर बोन कहाँ पे है आपका?
Collarbone.
योर कॉलर बोन. हाँ ठीक है. ओके. नाउ शोल्डर पीछे करो, आगे करो. कैविटी हो रही है कॉलर बोन के बीच में. नाउ हाथ को सीधा करो, ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर नीचे. थोड़ा सा टी शर्ट नीचे करके एक हाथ को ऊपर नीचे करो. कुछ मूवमेंट दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? सी द मूवमेंट, सी द मूवमेंट. ये देखो, ये मूवमेंट जो दिख रहा है, राइट? है कुछ मूवमेंट? अपना अपना खुद का एक्सपीरियंस करो. कॉलर बोन ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, हो रहा है. जो ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, जो मसल्स यहाँ पे है, there you have to keep your fingers and behind your thumb, very simply and very gently, and relax. Right? These three muscles are very important in your respiratory system, in your pranayama, because we are using these three muscles in our pranayama. Fine. Now you understand where it located. Okay. So what we are going to do in this three breathing, in this sectional breathing, we are going to focus on that particular muscle. We are going to do all equal breathing in all three pranayams, but we are going to focus particularly on that particular muscle. Now, in abdominal breathing, how we do abdominal breathing? How we do abdominal breathing? In which manner we do abdominal breathing? We do sitting and we can do lying down also, right? So in sitting, just keep one hand on your abdominal, not up. Where is your abdominal? Here, down. Yes. And experience the movement of your stomach. When you are inhaling, your stomach is coming up. When you're exhaling, your stomach is going down. Experience that movement. Okay, so let's start. We'll do 3 rounds of diaphragm breathing, abdominal breathing. Great. Sit in any comfortable posture. Sit straight, focus on one point. Keep your any one hand, preferably right hand, on your stomach area. Now we are going to experience the movement of our stomach. You can close your eyes for more deep experience or focus on one point. Do some normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we will start. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Relax your breath. Do some normal breathing and open your eyes. Good. I did one mistake. We have to start. So we are going to skip one count because I'm already saying inhale. So we are covering 1 point. So we have to start from 2 and 3. So not 1, 2, 3 counting. Okay. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So this is where you are experiencing your abdominal area. Fine. This pranayam is really good to relax your whole body. Okay. It's called diaphragmatic breathing also. Now, what we will experience is thoracic. Okay. Keep your hand on your sternum. Where is your sternum? Open your fingers. Experience. Now here, don't experience just opening your portion like this. Just experience whole rib cages are filling with your inhalation. And when you're exhaling, they are just squeezing and you're squeezing everything out. Fine? Okay. Keep your spine straight. Now focus on one point and close your eyes. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Relax, inhale and exhale, and come out from your practice. Good. Now we will experience clavicular breathing. Place your hands on your clavicular bone. Make sure that there is no stress on your shoulders. Okay, even while practicing, keep your shoulders open and relaxed. Fine. Can you just open your hands like this? It will be more experiential. Fine. Okay. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Your hands, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale, do normal breathing and come out from your practice. Fine. So any doubt about this 3 pranayams? You don't have intercostal breathing.
Ma'am, while having clavicle breathing, it is not felt how we can, like how we felt thoracic breathing and abdominal breathing. So it was not very much understandable by this clavicle breathing.
Why we do clavicular breathing is because we are not using that upper portion of lungs very normally in our day-to-day life. It is like ignored part of our lung, and that is why all stale air or gases are stored there. So when we start using that area, it is very difficult to even experience that clavicular breathing. So if you want to experience more, just do some brisk walking, like very fast walking. When you do that brisk walking, you feel like and sometimes you are actually filling your lungs till your clavicular, and that experience will give you clarity about clavicular muscles. So it is very difficult to find that muscles. It's very subtle movement, so you have to be very calm and very high in your practice to even experience them. I am still struggling with that, so yeah, it will take time, but you will understand that you are using. So at least mindfully use your whole lung capacity. It improves your lung capacity because you are mindfully using your whole lung. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Okay, fine. So now we will understand yogic deep breathings. So we have Purak, Rechak and Kumbhak. So it is inhalation, exhalation and hold. So what is Purak? It's a Sanskrit name. So what is Purak in English? As I mentioned, always use word meaning. What is Purak? Inhalation. What is Rechak?
Exhalation.
Exhalation. What is Kumbhak?
Holding.
Okay, so we have two sections of Kumbhak. First is Antar Kumbhak and Bahya Kumbhak. So in between inhalation and exhalation, we do Kumbhak. It calls Antar Kumbhak, hold of breath and retaining of breath. And after exhalation, we do Kumbhak. It called Bahya Kumbhak. It's a suspension of your breath. Clear? Clear? Okay. अटक जाता है कुछ बीच में तो क्या हो जाता है? रिटेन हो जाता है. तो बीच में जो होता है वो रिटेंशन. अंतर, अंदर का, दोनों के अंदर, अंतर कुंभक. बाह्य, बाहर, दोनों के बाहर, तो बाह्य कुंभक. फाइन, ये थोड़ा अच्छे से याद रखो. फाइन. सो पूरक में क्या करेंगे हम? प्रोलॉन्ग इनहेलेशन. इनहेलेशन पे ज्यादा फोकस. रेचक में क्या करेंगे? प्रोलॉन्ग एक्सलेशन. तो क्या करेंगे? फोकस ऑन एक्सलेशन. कुंभक में होल्ड in between. Fine. So I'm not going deep in that because maybe I'm sure Bharat ने सब cover किया होगा. Fine, because I have different techniques, so I don't want to confuse you with that. I'm just making concept clear, picture clear. So do you have any confusion in any Sanskrit word or any confusion till this 6 pranayams? Any confusion? कुछ भी थोड़ा भी कंफ्यूजन है अभी के अभी बताओ तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. Right? No. Fine. Now we have 3 pranayams. First is Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shodhan. So now Anulom Vilom is like with Kumbhak, but you have Nadi Shodhan pranayam which is without Kumbhak. Nadi Shodhan. What is Nadi? So which nadi is this? Tuida and Pingala. Shodhan. Shodhan का मतलब क्या? ढूंढना. Shodhan. नाड़ी शोधन, नाड़ियों को ढूंढना, कौन सी ईडिया एंड पिंगला, कैसे ढूंढोगे? दोनों नाड़ियों को एक्टिव करके, कैसे? ऑल्टरनेटिवली उनको यूज करके। सो नाड़ी शोधन में क्या करते हैं हम? वी आर ब्रीदिंग ऑल्टरनेटिवली। फाइन। सो ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट। कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट्स में राइट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, but traditionally we start with left. So inhalation from your left, exhalation from your right, inhalation from your left, exhalation from your left. Right? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, alternatively, which called nadi shodhan. उससे क्या होता है alternate breathing से? If your one nostril is not active, तो क्या करते हो आप? बैलेंस करते हो। तो नाड़ी का जो इम्बैलेंस होता है, एनर्जी इम्बैलेंस, आर यू बैलेंस विद दिस प्रैक्टिस? फाइन। Nadi Shodhan is the initial practice of Anulom Vilom, because Anulom Vilom includes hold and retention and suspension in between. So it is not in your syllabus, just मैं आपको पता होने के लिए, I'm just telling you. So अनुलोम विलोम में क्या होता है? Inhale, retain, exhale, inhale, retain, exhale, inhale, retain, exhale, suspend. It's very confusing. You need tremendous focus and balanced state of mind for this. Otherwise, you lose the counting. Fine. So just practice this alternate nostril breathing. Use 2 counts. So inhale for 2, exhale for 2, again inhale for 2, exhale for 2. Can we do this once? Fine. So keep any hand. So other hand you can keep it in chin mudra or palm open. And this hand, right hand, will be in which mudra?
Nasagra mudra.
Nasagra mudra.
Mudra. Other institute it called Vishnu mudra also. Fine. So Nasagraha mudra. Index finger, middle finger. Fine. These 3 fingers are open. Now, symbolically, first place, experience your nostril. Where is your that soft part of nostril? Here. So you don't need to push your nose like this. No. Just symbolically here. Your nostril is closed now. Here. So what you have to do is symbolically press. Right? You're not twisting your nose like this. No. 1, 2. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Fine. Good. Back from left. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Prepare yourself. Inhale and exhale fully. Now inhale from. Place your hand on your nostril. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we will start. Inhale from left. 2, 3. Exhale from right. 2, 3. Right inhale. 2, 3. Left exhale. 2. Relax. Relax your hand. Relax your breath. ठीक है? कोई confusion इसमें? Clear? Clear? Any confusion? Yes.
Ma'am, in Nasagra mudra, we keep it like this, and we keep these 2 fingers on our this third eye, and then we put it. So is it this?
Do it as per your practice. No problem.
Okay.
The way your institute is following, do it according to your process. It's absolutely fine. There is no hard and fast rule. As I mentioned before, everything is right in yoga. You just
And
have,
also, ma'am, our hand should be placed in this way only, now, because while breathing, it should be this part should be open. So it says so. It is very difficult also to put a hand like this. So is it okay to put like this or like this?
is it, that's absolutely fine, because initially it is very difficult to maintain your posture, because we are not in that high standard practice. अपनी practice वो standard level पे नहीं है. So you can just do it according. Just you have to maintain that balanced state. Very important is your face has to be very calm. So just calm yourself and start your practice. No tension on your any facial muscle. Fine? Okay. Okay. Just make sure that you are doing all techniques in a right way. Don't do mistakes in technique. Okay? Fine. And if you are not that much perfect in your practice, absolutely fine. Nobody is perfect. Fine. You just have to follow the proper technique. And slowly, slowly you can just achieve that final state. Okay. No doubt. Then we will go for Shitali Pranayam. शीतल क्या होता है? What is the meaning of word शीतल?
Cooling.
कूलिंग. शीतल, शीतल जल पीना है. पीना है क्योंकि it makes you calm. Fine. So शीतली is cooling pranayam. तो कैसे शीतली करेंगे? कैसे सिखाया है? Twisting with tongue, or how it shows, how you learn?
It is twisting with tongue.
And if you are not able to twist your tongue, then
Sheetkari, that with gap
but
between
मुझे
the
शीतली
teeth.
ही करना है. मुझे शीतकारी तक जाना ही नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे करूंगी?
Rolling the tongue.
Yes, rolling the tongue is the first, but if you are not able to roll your tongue, you have to. Now I am able to roll my tongue. But if I am not able to roll my tongue, keep distance in between your upper lip and tongue. Little bit small hole. Gradually it will happen. There will be some students जो कहेंगे मैम मुझे नहीं आ रहा है. So you have to keep this in. So inhaling from your mouth and exhaling from where?
Nose.
Nose. Very important. भूलना मत. Inhaling, hold. इसमें कुंभक है. तो hold. Gulp that air inside. वो air को थोड़ा digest होने दो lungs में. Hold करो and then exhale from
Nose.
nose. Right. So what will be the counting for this? 2 inhalation. Hold for 4. Double the count. And exhale again for 2 counts. Or you can exhale fully. Okay, there will be no count for exhalation. So inhale. Okay. Always. Examiner जब कहेगा प्राणायाम करो, कोई भी प्राणायाम, don't come out immediately from your practice. Okay. So शीतली करने के लिए कहा है 3 rounds, या फिर उन्होंने कहा शीतली करो, और फिर एक पॉइंट पे आके वो कहेंगे ओके स्टॉप योर प्रैक्टिस, या फिर कहेंगे 3 राउंड करो. तो 3 राउंड होने के बाद कीप योर आईज क्लोज फॉर अ व्हाइल, do some normal breathing and then slowly open your eyes. Okay? Don't directly come out from the practice. Fine? Okay. Can we just practice once Sheetali so I can see kaise kar rahe ho aap? Okay, sit straight, roll your shoulders back, chin parallel to the ground. Now prepare yourself, keep your hands on chin mudra or palm facing upward. You can keep your palm open also. Fine. Now, focus on one point. Good. Now take your tongue out and roll it. If you are not able to roll it, just keep in between your mouth and just open your upper nostril a little bit, so there will be place to suck the air. Great. Now inhale we are going to inhale for 2 counts. And we are going to retain that breath for 4 counts, and we are going to exhale fully. Fine. Inhale. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale from the nose. So when we are holding our breath, you have to close your mouth. Fine. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale. 1, 2, hold, close your mouth. 2, 3, 4. Now exhale fully. Now relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Fine. Good. Any doubt in Shitli? Okay. Yes. Fine. Bhramari. चलो बताओ मीनिंग क्या है भ्रामरी का? What is the meaning of Bhramari?
Sound produced by bee.
Humming sound. Bee sound.
भ्रमर भ्रमर क्या होता है? भ्रमर भ्रमर भ्रमर
Brahm means illusion.
ना
Brahm.
भ्रमर it's a simple Sanskrit word. भ्रमर वो होता है, पता है, एक बड़ी सी बी होती है, घूमती रहती है और उसके पंख इतने फड़फड़ाते कि उसका आवाज एंड यू फील लाइक बस हो गया. दैट इज भ्रमर. अभी वेरी सिंपली हमिंग भी हवा होते हैं, जो बीज होते हैं. इवन यू कैन फाइंड समटाइम्स दैट फ्लाइज जो नॉर्मली सब जगह होती है वो भी कभी कभी करते फिरते हैं. तो दैट इज नाउ व्हाई स्पेसिफिकली ऑल योगीज मेंशन हमिंग बी, फीमेल हमिंग बी, क्योंकि वो बहुत स्मूथ होती है. तो हमें नहीं करना है. What we have to do is we have to experience that vibrations properly with that smoothness always. So vocal cord or pura body, even your heart, when your practice is more subtle, you will experience that vibration in your heart and even in your abdomen. So uske liye obvious that practice has to be that higher stage. So first initially just start experience that humming in your upper area. Fine. So have you learned any mudra for this? Yoni mudra or something?
Chanmukhi mudra.
So tell me where you are placing your fingers in Chanmukhi mudra and why?
Nose and then this. And this thumb should be on our ears, like closed. Nose, this, eyes, and then.
Okay. 5 fingers. Why we have 5 senses? So what we are doing with Chanmukhi mudra, we are trying to control that 5 senses so that all vibrations will be inside, not coming out. Fine. So my first ear, close. Now second, eye, close. Third, nose, close. What? Mouth, close. What? Skin. Fine. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is symbolic. You don't need to press them hard. Fine? Don't block your nose. Otherwise, you can't breathe. ठीक है ना? Okay. So sit straight. Practice this once. Roll your shoulders back.
What is that mudra called?
Sorry?
What is that mudra called?
Shanmukhi mudra. Shanmukhi mudra. Understood? Okay, fine.
Yes.
So can we practice this? Good. Place your thumbs. कहाँ पे? Here. थोड़ा एक soft part है यहाँ पे कहीं पे देखो. Just experience. Here we have that soft part. Here. If you press here, you feel very calm. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. There. Press your thumb. Good. Gently and symbolically press. Now, अगर मुझे आंखें बंद करनी है तो मैं कैसे करूंगी? ऐसे. But if I place my finger here, what I am doing? I am pressing my eyeball, which is harmful. Very harmful. So what I have to do is just press that this portion. So I'm placing my finger on my eyelashes and the edge of my eye. Fine? Symbolically. Don't press your eyes. It is very harmful. Okay? Very dedicated. Okay. अपने 5 सेंसेस में सबसे ज्यादा जिसमें एनर्जी वेस्ट होती है बॉडी की वो है आंखें. ओके? Because we are using our eyes for everything. Be gentle with your eyes. Fine? Now, as I mentioned, this soft part, ठीक है? यहाँ पे प्रेस करना नहीं है symbolically. Because here, कहाँ पे? The arch of your lip, here. So this portion where you're dividing your face, तो यहाँ, huh? And then here. The chin portion, यहाँ पे. Fine? Symbolically. ठीक है, नहीं याद रहेगा, fine, absolutely fine. Slowly with practice आ जाएगा. ठीक है? ओके. मुझे खुद को ये सब याद रखने में नहीं होता था. Honestly, I am the most slow student. Still, I am the most slow student. मैं रट नहीं सकती. जब तक मैं खुद एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करती, मैं कन्विंस नहीं होती. तो मेरे जितना स्लो स्टूडेंट कोई नहीं होगा. So जितना मैं अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, it is all I understood slowly and with my own understanding. ठीक है, पढ़ के, सुन के, डिस्कस करके. So slowly you will understand. Don't keep this in mind. अरे मुझे तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है, अरे मैं तो कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, अरे मुझसे ये आसन नहीं हो पा रहा है. Absolutely fine. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है? It is even better than you are doing nothing. तो कुछ तो कर रहे हो, उसमें एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत खुश हो जाओ. फाइन, चलो, लेट्स प्लेस योर हैंड्स gently and symbolically. Very good. In this, make sure that your spine is straight, your shoulders are rolled back and open, so your chests are open. Now, inhale fully, and while exhaling, make that humming sound. Okay, guys, can you all unmute yourself so I can hear that sound? ठीक है ना? Unmute yourself. हाँ, now start. Inhale and start. index finger little up, otherwise your eyelashes will come out. थोड़ा ऊपर ऊपर. हरिता, your index finger little up. हाँ जी, थोड़ा, हाँ, fine, fine. Inhale. I am not able to listen any voice. Good. Okay, now release. We'll do with Kumbhak, second round. Just find your normal breath here. Okay, now we will prepare yourself. Let's prepare yourself for with Kumbhak. So here we have Bahya Kumbhak, huh? So vibrations experience करने के बाद you have to keep Kumbhak. Is it right? ऐसे ही सिखाया ना, बाह्य कुंभक में ही सिखाया ना. एक्सेल करने के बाद you have to hold ना. क्या सिखाया है? एक्सेल के बाद ही होल्ड सिखाया ना. नो कुंभक, क्योंकि आपके सिलेबस में तो कुंभक दोनों जगह शीतलीय एंड इसमें बोला है.
हमने बट इसमें कुंभक नहीं किया है.
Fine, okay. But if you want to experience that vibrations, you can just hold for a while after that doing humming sound. थोड़ा सा रुको, experience that vibration, again start inhaling and then do vibrations. Fine, okay. And if examiner specifically mention do with kumbhak, make sure keep this in mind कि कुंभक आपको exhalation के बाद करना है. ठीक है ना? अगर बोला तो, क्योंकि सिलेबस में तो दिख रहा था, बट हाँ जी.
How will be the round first?
So
placing the hands.
ठीक है, अगर उसमें कुंभक है तो, अदरवाइज यू जस्ट कीप डूइंग हमिंग साउंड. ये प्रैक्टिस ऐसी प्रैक्टिस है ना, इफ यू डू राइट इन अ राइट वे, यू फील लाइक अभी किसी से बात नहीं करनी, बस मैं खुश हूं अपने आप में. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्रैक्टिस. Brahmari prepares you for your meditation. Okay, it's a preparative practice. When you are in that subtle stage, you will feel you are more calm. ठीक है? And you understand the makara. पता है ना ओमकार में मकार कैसे उसको ड्रैग करना है. Experience that makara in this. Even your
The voice will come from a stomach, like from a this mind only, no makar.
yeah, it's not like ma, no. It's like you're using your vocal cord and that and spreading that all vibrations all over your body. So obviously it will start from. अच्छा, मुझे बताइए क्यों समक से स्टार्ट होगा? Why it will start from stomach? क्यों when we exhale क्यों stomach से start होता है? And when we inhale क्यों पहले हम we experience के chest ऊपर आ रहा है and then stomach? क्यों ऐसे होता है?
Energy flow upward and downward, no? That flow of
Keep energy part aside. नॉर्मली प्रैक्टिकली बात करते हैं. एनर्जी, हाँ वो सब सही है, प्रैक्टिकली बताओ क्यों. ओके, अभी ये बॉटल है, से सपोज ये मैं हूं, ठीक है, मुझे पानी डालना है इसमें. नाउ आई हैव वाटर इन दिस कप. मैंने पानी डाला. पानी कहाँ तक, पहले कहाँ से भरेगा?
ऊपर से.
Obviously, नीचे से भरेगा.
कैसे भरेगा? यहाँ से भर के ऊपर तक आएगा. नाउ आई हैव टू एम्प्टी दिस बॉटल. कहाँ से पहले कम होगा?
ऊपर से.
ऊपर से. अभी बता क्या होता है इनहेलेशन में एंड एक्सहेलेशन में? वेरी सिंपल. जब मैं इनहेल करूंगी तो मैं भरना शुरू करूंगी, तो कहाँ से भरेगा?
Abdominal.
और अगर मुझे एक्सहेल करना है तो मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूंगी?
स्टमक.
तो अपना वाइब्रेशंस कैसे एक्सपीरियंस होंगे?
From here.
हाँ जी, चेस्ट, स्टमक एंड देन अप.
And then
ठीक है, ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माइंड. सिंपल सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स को सामने रखो तो इजी हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? ओके, चलो. और कोई डाउट?
very nice.
ये बहुत सिंपल प्रैक्टिकल है. योग इज योर प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ. यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग योग सिंस when you start breathing in your mother's womb. छोटा बच्चा जब वो छोटा सा fetus when it comes in mother's womb, from there he start or she start doing yoga because उसकी उसका life force आ गया. Now that is now ready. It is preparing to come out, introduce himself or herself to the nature, to the world. अभिमन्यु ने चक्रव्यूह के अंदर जाना कहाँ सीखा था? Why we have garbha sanskaras? Why each and every mother try to be always calm when she is pregnant? Why we maintain that harmony and stable atmosphere around her? Because that baby is learning. सीख रहा है वो. तो हमेशा याद रखना, हमें सब पता है. It just we are brushing our mind. Because yoga is an art of living. योग से आपको आपका लाइफ का एक्चुअल मीनिंग पता चलेगा. एंड एज आई मेंशन, इवन मुद्रास के बारे में भी मैंने कहा, बचपन से हम बताते हैं कि मुझे सुसु आ रहा है, तो क्या सुसु मतलब क्या? वाटर एलिमेंट बढ़ गया है, मुझे अभी उसको बाहर निकालना है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, एनर्जी हाई है मेरी. तो वी आर यूजिंग एवरीथिंग. इट जस्ट वी डोंट नो. बस अभी हम वो नोइंग स्टेज में है, नॉलेज गेनिंग स्टेज में है. ठीक है, ओके. और कुछ? बिकॉज वी फिनिश आवर प्राणायाम पार्ट हियर. हाँ, तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड बंधास. वी हैव 15 मिनट्स. ठीक है, बंध, बांधना क्या है? बंधास बताइए.
Locking.
Locking of your energy in particular point. And what is mudra? Regulating, circulating that energy. उसको फ्लो देना है, उसको फ्लो करना है. और बंध, बांधना क्या है? लॉकिंग. वहां पे उस एनर्जी को बांधना है तो इट विल पुश अपवर्ड. तो वो अपवर्ड जाएगी स्लोली स्लोली, और मेरी सारी कुंडलियां अवेकन हो जाएगी. एंड देन आई विल एक्सपीरियंस दैट ब्लिस स्टेज. वेरी हायर प्रैक्टिस, डोंट गो इन देयर. वी हैव टू जस्ट एक्सपीरियंस दिस सिंपल बट वेरी इफेक्टिव 3 बंधास. फर्स्ट इज मूल बंध. मूल, रूट. रूट कहाँ पे है अपना रूट? एनस. क्यों एनस रूट है और क्यों पैर रूट नहीं है? बताइए. चलते तो हम पैर से है, तो रूट क्या होता है? बेस होता है. तो why feet is not a root? Why anus is a root?
It starts on the base of the spine.
Okay. और
मैम अपने अंदर जो एयर जाती है उसको लॉक करना मेन इसका reason.
have we do that with our anus? No, we do that with our nose. Anus से क्या करते हैं? What we have? Very important. Anus से क्या करते हैं हम? मल बाहर निकलता है. सब जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो निकलता है. और there is some practices जिसमें even rishis, they sit in water, they suck water inside and then they flush out. Even in इसको इनिमा बोलते हैं. इनिमा. ये इवन डिलीवरी के टाइम अगर कोई माए है तो उनको पता होगा कि डिलीवरी के टाइम पे करते हैं. इंडिया में तो इट इज वेरी नोन. मेरे डिलीवरी के टाइम किया था. तो इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मूल पॉइंट. तो मूल पॉइंट जो है it is connected with one chakra. Let's not go in that. चलो ठीक है, नहीं जाएंगे हम वहां पे. But we need to understand कि वो पॉइंट कहाँ पे. Then only you can understand कि आपको वो बंध कहाँ पे पकड़ना है. तो जहां से हम excrete करते हैं, तो we have 2 points for excretion. One is anus. Second is अरे भाई, यूरिन कहाँ से बाहर जाता है? Urinary. Okay, so in ladies it's vagina and for gents it is penis. ठीक है? तो we have 2 excretory points. उनको अंदर लेना. Closing that point so energy will not got out from there, and that pushing that energy upward from which channel? Spine. तो उसको पुश करना है. अगर मुझे ये बॉटल को ऊपर पुश करना है तो I have to just place my hand on the base and I have to push up. ठीक है? तो let's mentally understand this. What I have to do? It is very difficult to hold that anus and vaginal area, perineal area at a time. बहुत difficult है. And holding that for a long, it is more difficult. ठीक है? तो mentally you have to do that. भले वो ऊपर आपको नहीं हो रहा है, वो muscles अभी भी contract नहीं हो रहे, but mentally practice that. Fine. So let's do this. And then we will understand. ठीक है? Sit in straight position. Now here, make sure that spine, whenever you're sitting, whenever you're standing, this alignment has to be there. Spine straight, chin parallel to the ground. Roll your shoulders back so your chest is open. Now, mentally focus on your root, base, end of your spine, where your excretory system is. Close your eyes. Focus there. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now hold that muscles upward. Contract them. Make a Mula Bandha. And now focus there. Initially, if you want to breathe, breathe. Otherwise, just hold. Now relax. Relax yourself. So, not in your exam, but for your practice, you can do this. So, inhale, keep your muscles relaxed. Exhale, pull it up. Do this practice so your muscles are active. This practice is really good for women because it's improve the all capacity of our excretion muscles, जो भी muscles है, तो it is very good even in pregnancy. This practice is very good in pregnancy. इसमें normal delivery में it helps because muscle strength करती है ये practice. Fine. But in Mula Bandha, you had to exhale, suck that muscles upward, hold it, and then be there as per your capacity and then relax. Fine. Now, it is not visible. तो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि आप सही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो या गलत कर रहे हो, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ सेकंड इज उड्डीयान बंध. उड़ना. क्या है उड़ना? उड़ जाना. तो हम बैठे बैठे क्या उड़ा सकते हैं? एक तो हाथ उड़ा सकते हैं और एक तो अपना दिमाग उड़ा सकते हैं. बट एक और चीज है जो उड़ा सकते हैं. क्या उड़ा सकते हैं? स्टमक उड़ा सकते हैं. तो अगर स्टमक को उड़ाना है अपवर्ड, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? पुल आवर स्टमक इनसाइड. For this all practices, your excretion has to be clear. पेट में कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Now, उड्डीयान बंध. सक करना your stomach inside. तो exhale fully. Suck your belly up and be there as per your capacity. Now let me show you this. Fine, because this I can show. Now fine. So now I'm feeling little अभी पानी वगैरह बहुत पिया है and I just have some excretion in my bladder, so it will be difficult for me. But with the practice, we see actually we saw that रामदेव बाबा का वो कपाल भारती का, उसमें तो he always show this. तो we know कि डायफ्राम को मतलब वो पूरा चिपक जाता है. ठीक है ना? डायफ्राम अंदर की तरफ स्पाइन को चिपक जाता है. ठीक है? Don't go very hard with your this practice. ठीक है? Slowly just go with the flow. ठीक है? क्योंकि ये सारी हायर प्रैक्टिसेस है. It has to be, your body has to be ready and your mind has to be ready. If you have any doubt कि मुझसे आज नहीं हो पाएगा, don't do the practice. Okay? Fine? Understood? Any confusion in this two bandhas?
Ma'am, first we have to inhale, right? Inhale and
Inhale, exhale fully. कुछ अंदर नहीं होना चाहिए. Then only you can suck. अभी ये टिश्यू है मेरे हाथ में. Say suppose मैंने इसके 4 कोने अंदर ले लिए. अभी ये बन गया एक होलो अंदर से पॉकेट. अभी मुझे इसको स्क्वीज करना है. आई हैव टू स्क्वीज इट. कुछ नहीं है तभी ये इतना हो जाएगा. अगर अंदर होगा तो नहीं हो पाएगा. इसीलिए अंदर कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू कैन सक इट प्रॉपरली. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट मेंटली, देन यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट प्रैक्टिकली. ठीक है? ओके. और कुछ?
मैम एक्चुअली जितने भी प्राणायाम्स हैं,
हाँ,
इसमें थोड़ा सा इनहेल एक्सेल में कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कैसे करना है.
slowly it will come in your practice. बस इतना याद रखो कि regulating your breath with inhalation and exhalation is, when you are inhaling, आपका full body air से भर रहा है, तो body कैसे होना चाहिए? फूला हुआ. When you are exhaling everything from your body, तो body कैसे होना चाहिए? stomach कहाँ होना चाहिए? अंदर. इतना याद रखो, ऑटोमेटिकली समझ में आ जाएगा. When you are inhaling, your stomach is coming up. Though air is not going in stomach, where air is going in your lungs. तो stomach क्यों फूलता है?
Pressure.
हाँ जी.
The diaphragm is pushing.
Exactly. Very nice. Very good, Harita. So our lungs are sitting on our diaphragm. Lungs are sitting on our diaphragm. When lungs are expanding, what is happening? That sitting area is going down, and that is why stomach, this is an automatic process. So we are helping our lungs to expand more with that portion. We are giving space to even that lungs. तो इसीलिए स्टमक बाहर आ जाता है कि लंग्स को भी स्पेस मिले. ठीक है, तो जितना ज्यादा इनहेलेशन पे हम फोकस करेंगे एंड आवर स्टमक इज कमिंग अप, उतनी ज्यादा जगह लंग्स को मिलेगी टू एक्सपांड मोर. और अगर लंग्स ज्यादा एक्सपांड हो रहे तो ज्यादा इनहेलेशन होगा, ज्यादा इनहेलेशन होगा तो ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा मिलेगा. अगर ऑक्सीजन ज्यादा मिल रहा है तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? वी आर गिविंग गुड एनर्जी टू आवर बॉडी. इट मीन्स वी आर ऑक्सीजनेटिंग आवर बॉडी वेल. ओके, तो इनहेलेशन में ऑलवेज स्टमक अप, एक्सहेलेशन में ऑलवेज स्टमक इन. ये दिमाग में बिठा लो. ऑब्जर्व, समटाइम्स प्रैक्टिस हम कर रहे हैं अच्छे से तो फाइन. तो हमेशा इवन इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर योर स्टमक इज कमिंग अप, बट इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिशनर तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड के व्हेन यू एक्सहेलिंग योर स्टमक इज कमिंग अप. उल्टा हो जाता है और बहुत लोगों में होता है ये, बहुत लोगों में. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अवेयर. तो फोकस ऑन दिस. Automatically pranayams will be easy. Sorry.
I used to do the wrong thing that while inhaling, I just put my stomach in. But when I came to know according to yogic breathing, but only if I'm aware that I have to take yogic breathing now, that time only I do that stomach out and then in while exhaling. But now in our days, we don't take the same yogic breathing, na? Like if you're not aware, if you're not conscious.
Why we do yogic breathing? To understand this all concept, what our body is. So even walking, even sitting, while doing all things, you have to inculcate that all practices inside you. So it is not like ऐसे ही करना है. That shallow breathing will be there constantly, but slowly with this practice, now you train your body properly. So when you're inhaling, your stomach is coming up, and when you're exhaling, your stomach is going down, and mindfully it will happen. Slowly. ठीक है, slowly होगा. When you will observe कि अरे नहीं उल्टा हो रहा है, your mind will correct ऑटोमेटिकली. तो वो स्लोली हो जाएगा. ठीक है, प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिसेस आर रियली वेरी हायर प्रैक्टिसेस, वेरी डीप प्रैक्टिसेस. तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू बी मोर फोकस, मोर कॉन्शियस, मोर अवेयर, मोर माइंडफुल. ठीक है, और ये स्लोली आ जाएगा. ऑब्वियस देयर विल बी कंफ्यूजन. एक ही इसमें इतना नहीं होता है. 2 महीने से ही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, इट विल टेक टाइम. ठीक है, बस ये बेसिक चीजें याद रखिए. ओके, नाउ वी विल गो विथ जलंधर बंध. जलंधर बंध, जल कहाँ से लेते हैं हम? अंदर, थ्रोट. उस जलंधर को बंद कर देना. तो क्या करना है? कैसे बंद करूंगी मैं उस जलंधर को? चिन्ह को नीचे डाल दिया, बंद हो गया सब. अभी जलंधर बंद भी कब लगाना है? इस अंतर कुंभक और बाह्य कुंभक में भी कर सकते हो आप. सेम है. यू हैव टू सिट स्ट्रेट, कंफर्टेबल. Roll your shoulders back. Your spine is straight, chin parallel to the ground. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale. Drop your chin towards your chest. There, as per your capacity. Come up and exhale. Now, second with Baya Kumbhak is same. So inhale, exhale fully. Drop your chin. Come up. And then start breathing. Now, आपको कैसे सिखाया? इनहेलेशन के बाद सिखाया या एक्सहेलेशन के बाद सिखाया है? इनहेलेशन के बाद सिखाया. तो इनहेल करो, retain your breath inside. Do not come out that breath. Lock your chin. तो breath अंदर ही रह गया. Let it regulate. And then when you feel के अब capacity के बाहर हो रहा है, just come first up your chin and then exhale. ठीक है? यहाँ से exhale करना मत start करना. Come up and exhale. ठीक है? Let's practice once. Sit straight, relax your shoulders, roll your shoulders back, spine straight, chin parallel to the ground. Focus on one point. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Exhale. Now inhale fully. Drop your chin towards your chest. Be there as per your capacity. Whenever you feel, come up and then exhale. Okay. Fine. Chalo. So we finish here. Any doubt with Jalandhar Bandha or any doubt with pranayam? Anything. कुछ भी पूछना है. आवाज नहीं आ रही है मुझे. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Exhalation with both the nostrils only.
हाँ जी.
Right.
कब अभी ना जालंधर बंध में ना. हाँ. तो हाथ तो नीचे है तो कैसे करोगे?
नहीं, I thought with left and right somewhere.
And that is Nadi Shodhana. If your hands are down, not doing anything, कुछ नहीं करना है. तो nostril का संबंध ही नहीं है. Use both nostrils. ठीक है? Any doubt? Anyone? तो we finish everything except mudras. तो mudras के लिए next session में we will do mudras. And then we have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. एक student, 7 student last session में exam हो जाएगा. Exam in the sense practice हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Start reading everything. Limitations, contraindications, benefits, meaning of asana, name, किससे inspired है, क्या है ये सारा पढ़ना शुरू करो. Our Saturday session will be our preparation for exam. ठीक है? Okay. Any doubt for anything? Any asan, any pranayam, any bandha? कुछ doubt है?
Bandha won't come for exam, no?
I don't have any idea. Syllabus में बंधा है तो मैंने सिखा के रख, मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा आपको आइडिया दिया है. नहीं आएगा तो अच्छी बात है. ठीक है? ओके. तो बंधास और एनीवेज मैं प्रैक्टिस सिर्फ आसन एंड प्राणायाम की ही लेने वाली हूँ. एग्जाम मतलब एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी फोकस ऑन मुद्रा एंड इवन बंधा. मैं आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन प्राणायाम एंड आसन. तो फोकस ऑन दैट. ठीक है? पढ़ना तो सभी है ऑब्वियस, क्योंकि एग्जामिनर कुछ भी पूछेगा. Anything? I'll just stop recording here.